If you're not winning the buy box, you're losing sales. Here's how to fix that fast. Okay, so the buy box is literally, if you type in Coca-Cola on Walmart, you'll see buy box is add to cart. If you're showing here and you have add to cart, you'll see like your seller name here. That means you're winning the buy box. You're good to go. Should be generating some sales. If you're not winning the buy box, you're gonna be down here. It's gonna say compare, there's 6 people not winning the buy box and they are not generating sales. I can promise you that. Now there is a tutorial on Walmart on how the buy box works, right? And it's your offer price, shipping fee, delivery speed, and your seller performance metrics. But Walmart's slogan is save money, live better, Walmart. Save money, live better. AKA, it's usually the lowest, right? So it depends on your shipping speed. It's mainly shipping speed and price, but number one is going to be price, similar to Amazon. So if we do Walmart and we undercut them and we do $3.97, we're probably gonna win the buy box within an hour. It does take an hour after you change it. Yep. But step number one is to convert your listing to WFS. That's going to improve your shipping speed and it's going to greatly increase your chances of winning the buy box by a lot. So WFS is Walmart Fulfillment Service. It's similar to Amazon FBA. So all you have to do is convert your listing to WFS, ship your items directly to Walmart, and then your listing is going to look similar to this one, where it says it's sold by you, but it's fulfilled by Walmart. And again, you can see that they're winning the buy box, right? So that's pretty much my first tip. Second tip is you're gonna go into Walmart, you're gonna go to the pricing tab. And the pricing tab actually shows you if you can win the buy box. Okay, so here's this item. It's like a Stanley Halloween, cool item. Here's the item ID. And it's gonna show your buy box win rate. So how often do you win the buy box? Even if you're the lowest price, they usually give like somebody else an opportunity to win the buy box, like 5% of the time. So that way it's kind of fair, but it is what it is. But you can see what's your buy box win rate and are you buy box eligible? If it says no, it's time to contact Walmart and be like, hey, why am I not buy box eligible? And then they're gonna hopefully give you the real reason. Maybe it's your performance metrics, maybe you're not using WFS, maybe you're priced way too high, right? And how can you win the buy box? That's gonna be super important. So this data just pretty much tells you, and you can look at your items, if you're winning the buy box or not. And if it is based on price, you can use a repricer tool. And there are other tools online that will automatically put you like 1 cent below the competition. Right now, what we do is if our clients don't want to use a repricer tool, we'll go through all of their listings and then we'll reprice it 1 cent below the competitors. Within an hour, they automatically win the buy box, as long as they're using WFS. If they're not using WFS, you might have to put it $1 or $2 below the competitors. So just keep that in mind. And remember, if these tips still don't work, what you can do is contact Walmart and dispute it with them. Contacting Walmart is a pain in the butt, but we're here to help if you need it. That's it for today's video. Are you struggling with the buy box? Let me know what's been holding you back and I'll try to help in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're a Walmart seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's gonna help you in your Walmart journey. And of course, if you need any help with increasing sales, winning the buy box, or just help selling on Walmart, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us. Also, one of our most popular services is launching customers from Amazon to Walmart. So if you already sell on Amazon, it's very easy to convert your listings and get on Walmart quickly and start generating sales, since on Walmart, there's almost no competitors right now. So check it out. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO, and I'm signing out.